अब कैसे डोमिनेंट बनाऊँ? डोमिनेंट को मुक्का थोड़ा मारोगे लड़की को। भाई व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन योर लव लाइफ? That makes sense to talk to you. You see, like there's a weakness is there. Why you are so weak? चलो इसकी बात मैं मानता हूँ, इसकी थोड़ी सी बट तुम्हारी वॉइस तो ठीक है। तुम्हारी वॉइस लड़के के सामने आके मेमने बन जाते हो। Told you like it is not about like उसकी चुताई मिलेगी। It's about getting that personality out.
Women toy is not working, huh? Women toy is not working. Women toy.
वुमेन टो। अबे लोड़ा बोल दो यार, चंगे ऐसे बड़ बोल के मैंने समझ में आता है। वुमेन टो है,
इसीलिए तो वैसे ही बोला मैं।
क्या
जानबूझ के वुमेन टॉय बोला।
लॉर्ड लंड खड़ा होता है कि नहीं?
We respect YouTube policies and carefully follow YouTube upload guidelines. So hey guys, hope you're doing good. I'm doing good too, and welcome to the next video of the video series of the success documentary of my two students from India who are working in IT in Europe, and I'm there to help in their dating life, putting my best efforts in their dating life.
After most powerful CEO, the first Prime Minister, now presenting Deepak, the most proven and female-friendly dating coach in this world, overcoming all odds.
You're an invader. Why don't you go back to India?
And still successful in the West.
We are progressing slowly because you have to understand it takes a bit time for the students to internalize everything. As I've already explained to you that getting good in your dating life, it requires some time and patience. The same thing is that getting good in your career and finances, it requires time and patience, and it requires time and patience, and also the weightage you are giving to your career and finances, I'm sure you are giving the same weightage or even more to your dating life, success in your dating life. So it is okay when it requires some time. If you want to get good in your dating life, it can require some time, especially if you are a like ethnic minority and you want to date in the West with Western girls, then there are some cultural issues, there are some other things also you have to take care. So just be patient, but the results will definitely come. 100% results will come. So before the infield session, we again did some the drills, verbal drills. I am doing these verbal drills with them every day before the infield session start. Do some inner game sessions with them also while we are doing the infield session, talking to girls. So before we move forward, here is the quick important message. If you're still suffering in your dating life and not able to find the right solution for the problems what you're facing in your dating life, then now it's time to change it forever. And if you're committed, then get to a 30-minute call with me where I will listen to your problems what you are facing in your dating life, and I will give you the best solution which will efficiently solve your dating problems. So book a 30-minute consultation call with me. The link is in the description below, and let's solve your dating issues once for all. I am also the creator of dating product of the century, Dating in Fields Domination, which is unchallenged the best live example dating product, where you will not only see my live examples of me interacting with people, making some of them my life partner, but also my students doing the same. And live examples are from all over the world, like New York, London, Europe, Las Vegas, and from all races. If you still do not believe what I'm saying, then just check the product out. It costs only $1, and if you're not satisfied, then I guarantee I will even refund that $1 to you. And also guys, if you're enjoying my content, then like this video, because that will help in performing this video better in algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you will be notified when I release a new video. And let's move forward with the main video. So here I'm sending one of my students to approach a girl. So he is approaching, he is not very smooth in talking, but that's okay. That's how you will also start if you are complete beginner in game. This is how you will start and slowly progress in your game, in your interactions. This is what he's doing.
Hi, excuse me. I have a question. You give like artistic vibe or not?
No, they're just like dressing up like this.
Okay. So where are you? I mean, so for me, like I told you, I am from New York, and like 6 years ago I moved to Berlin. So which city you are moving to?
Brussels.
Come again?
Brussels in Belgium.
Brussels.
Yeah.
Brussels is a beautiful city. I have been to Brussels.
Yeah.
I had been to like 2-3 months ago.
Yeah.
I was there on a business trip, and yeah, you'll. I think so. You like traveling,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay? So, what is your name, right? Okay. What was my name?
I'm sorry.
You're breaking my heart. If you would have remembered my name, then
Was it? Can you repeat it? Okay.
so like I was just yesterday we had a very successful meeting here, and the meeting was really good. Like at least we ticked off one of the criteria which we are evaluating on, and so like I'm happy and like walking around the street.
Yeah.
But tell me one thing that. So does it happen to you that a random person comes up to you and starts talking to you?
No, not that often.
Not that. So now it happened.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but have you been before to Brussels?
Yeah.
Okay, and how did you find it? Like,
It was okay, but it was for a short time.
so you were there for interview.
No, I was just there visiting.
Okay, and when was that time? Like,
Oh, a long time ago.
long time. You were a kid.
Yeah, I was a kid.
I'm kidding. So what are you doing now?
Right now?
Yeah, right now. So are you a planned person or a spontaneous person?
No, I'm quite bland, but I'm just waiting for my friend to
You know,
finish work.
there is a very famous author who
Yeah.
said that spontaneity is the way to freedom. Yeah, spontaneity is the way to freedom, don't you think? And also, on top of that, happiness. This said to you.
Yeah. No, but I'm not very spontaneous person.
Okay,
I like to plan things.
okay. Yeah, sometimes one has to like, when someone meets, some special situation happens and all, one has to break his planned thing, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, life would be too boring, right?
Yeah.
So,
True. Oh, there's my friend.
okay.
It was
there.
really nice to.
Yeah, nice.
Nice to meet you.
Give me a hug. Have fun.
Actually, you have to understand, like, these guys are completely like IT nerd guys, have no idea like how to talk to girls, not really that much success in India also with girls, and now they're coming here, of course, like, because the player guys who are getting a lot of success with girls in India, then most probably they will not be that good in their education, in the sense like career, and like, not be very highly qualified. Maybe some will be, but normally the Indian nerds, tech nerds, IT nerds, highly studious guys, they get successful in their career and finances, and then they get chance to work in Europe or in USA or UK. So the player vibe is not with them, that's how it is. We have to accept that it is okay. If the player vibe is not with them, then it can be learned, you can improve it, that's the main thing. So that's what I'm doing, and even if their conversation look a bit kind of not very smooth, like a player, that's okay. That's why they are with me, and I'm helping them in improving their game. And if you are like watching these videos, if you're watching these videos, so have some empathy for my students, have some empathy for these people also. They are putting their best effort, because sometimes people start to laugh, look at these guys, look at these people who are like talking to the girl with this accent and all the things. The accent and nothing is like, there's nothing to make fun about. I don't see anything funny in their accent or even in my accent. So if my accent or anyone accent, for example Indian accent, is funny, then it's the same thing, German accent or Russian accent or British accent be the same funny. So So see it as a human. I'm putting hard work in them, and see all people with the same level. Not that somebody from India or some other country is a lower level, and maybe you're watching, you think that you are higher level or something like that. So here in this channel, we are all same. We are here to improve our game, to improve our dating life, and see it in that way. After this, I also sent my other student to approach another girl.
Excuse me, I have a question. You speak English a little bit? Yeah, but actually I just left my friend here and they're just chilling around.
That way.
Are you from Kyiv or
Lviv.
Kyiv?
No, it's close to Poland and Lviv.
Ah, Poland and Kyiv. Ah, okay.
Poland and Lviv. Lviv it is like 300 kilometers from Warsaw.
Ah, okay. So you're just
So
coming to chill, like.
Yes.
to-
This is the last country where I didn't go, and I realized, okay, I will finish my trip here in Poland.
Okay.
So it's very close country to my country. That's why I never visited it.
Yeah.
before.
So you travel all the world, like.
Not all the world, but from these 4 weeks, that is 4 countries. where
4
I
countries,
spent,
4
yes,
weeks.
of course, yes.
Like the eastern part of Europe, or how is it?
Austria, Romania, Hungary. Now
Okay.
Poland.
I was in Austria actually, like in
I
Vietnam.
felt in love in
Yeah,
Austria.
I was in the.
This is something quite amazing. I say that is the only one country if I will decide somewhere to go only to Austria.
Yeah, it's actually close to us. Like we have a good connection from Germany, and then I really enjoyed it. Like, I went at the Christmas time, like the Christmas market and all. So yeah, I
It
really
doesn't
loved
matter
it.
which time, Austria always the best. That is my country. That is my first number
So you
one.
fell in love with the city and all. Yeah.
Go to the-
Ah, okay. This happened like somebody just random guy come and just talk to you like this. It happened before or
It's here. I don't know what happened, but
in Ukraine or I don't
every
know.
10 minutes someone comes, someone asks something. I say, okay, what is going on in this country?
Ah, okay,
It's
yeah.
okay. Only in this country, I don't know why.
Ah, okay, yeah. But now again somebody asked today. Just now. Yeah.
It's okay. It's yes.
Sounds a little bit like Chinese mixture or something like, or
Not Chinese. It is more USA name, but
you say okay,
that is the only one name in my country. But
That
it's
is-
okay.
okay, yeah.
Yes, that is not popular in my country.
Okay,
That's why
yeah.
all the time when I meet people in my country, they say, okay, where are you?
Ah.
That's why I'm thinking what to do because
Okay.
anyway, with my actually with IT, I may work in any.
Which country you want to go? Like
Austria, of course.
Austria, eh? I got it now.
Yes, but the only one problem I don't like Germany language.
Or come to New York just one day and go back.
Maybe sometimes I
It's
didn't
pretty far,
travel
but-
that part. Maybe I will go.
Yeah, it's really good. Like it's amazing. Like there are 2 things. Like people are busy, but you experience another level of life. Like you're.
I don't like so much busy places.
Yeah, that's
Even
the.
for me, this Warsaw also busy place, but it's alright. It's okay.
Yeah.
I was living in Dubai sometime. And
But Austria is also busy, right? Like when I.
Austria, no, it's when I was there. It was
One we can go walk and talk. I also just go around like a little bit chill. Yeah. I was actually going. Did you have a like? Did you explore this street here?
Of course,
Yeah?
I was living here in the hotel.
Ah, okay.
More in the evening. Yesterday, I was walking around here, this
Okay.
way, that way, everywhere.
Okay.
Till
Yeah.
1 a.m. and people here just start to leave somewhere at 7.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's also pretty loud. I also live like not so far away from the city. I have got a nice apartment and it's a bit loud. But at the same time, I'm like it's a little calm, not so loud like very big cities like Berlin or like Berlin or you know.
Somewhere in New York it's quite more busy. And
Yeah, New York. Yes, it's another level. Like you cannot imagine there. It's just So what's going on in your life? Like friends? Friends?
I have a lot of friends. I'm a very friendly person. I have lots of friends.
Friends. Okay.
Yes, but this time when I come to Poland and said, okay, sorry friends, I'm
Oh.
going alone. Enough.
Oh, so you left them.
I want to have a rest from everyone and from my work also and so on.
Okay.
So
Why
I
you are?
decided to go. I just book a company.
If you like.
I need to go.
Yeah, but don't worry. I'm not doing anything. I'm like a gentleman.
Just
Yeah, I can see that you also enjoy that conversation, and I can. Yeah, I don't know if you find me attractive or not, but we can just. I can see that you enjoy it. So. So Ila, right? Okay, I'm just forgetting your name. What's my name? You remember?
I don't remember it.
Yeah, you have to. What is it? Do you have a like nickname or?
No, that is my name, my nickname, everything.
Okay,
Alright, like I'm going.
we can go this direction. Have a small
No,
coffee.
I'm going back to the hotel.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it was a pleasure to talk to you.
Yeah, you too.
Have a nice time here.
Yeah, I can give you a hug.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
ना थोड़ा. When I say something, then you have to say it. What's going on in your when I say what's going on in your love life? Why? Because I can see that she's leading you. Your frame is getting weaker. Again, the things are getting weaker.
Okay.
What's going on in your love life? So what I'm doing? I'm trying to make you more like dominant in the sense. अब कैसे dominant बनाऊँ? Dominant को मुक्का थोड़ा मारोगे लड़की को. But what's going on in your love life? So you're walking. It looks like nothing is going on in your love life. So when I say that makes sense to talk. That makes sense to talk to you further. That makes sense to talk to you. You see, like there's a weakness is there. Why you are so weak? Just say the line as it is. Strong.
Okay.
She said that like nothing is going on in her life. Huh? No, she said like
She's single.
Single. That makes sense to talk to you further. Show the dominance here. अब dominance लड़की को dominance बंदा थोड़ा ना क्या हम?
That makes what is the
That
word?
makes sense to talk to you
Sense.
further.
That makes sense to talk to you further.
A bit heavy voice, na? That makes sense to talk.
That makes sense to talk to you further.
Makes sense to talk to you further.
चलो इसकी बात मैं मानता हूँ इसकी थोड़ी सी
वैसी
बट तुम्हारी वॉइस तो ठीक है तुम्हारी वॉइस लड़के के सामने आके मेमने बन जाते हो नहीं मतलब कि I was saying when I was saying things say these things
Okay.
so it is don't I told you like it is not about like उसकी चुताई मिलेगी it's about getting that personality out if the personality is not coming out so if you try to play safe game it's not gonna work
Okay.
if you try to play safe game it's not gonna work
ठीक है.
Okay.
and say like don't say like India I am from India like say New York simple script Mark from New York
पूरा हमेशा फॉलो कर रहा हूँ
Mark from New York don't use India Mark from New York that's Mark और तुम्हारा Steve
Steve.
Mark from New York simple और don't over explain like my father this and that and mother and New York अगर वो पूछेगी तब बताओ
ठीक है.
यार जो गलती मैंने करी वो थोड़ा ना करनी है तुमने गलती क्यों
हाँ, ठीक है.
I am Mark from New York that's it
कैरेक्टर में जीना है.
हाँ
कैरेक्टर में जीना है.
करेक्टर में जीना है वही करेक्टर बन गया अब गैंग ऑफ वासिफ वही चलेगा वो कौन सी पिक्चर थी
माँ चोद देंगे खड्डा खोद देंगे आपको
सो वो कौन सी थी उसमें जो पिक्चर थी कौन सी थी शोले पिक्चर में जो उसका नाम था अमजद खान था उसका नाम वो गब्बर के नाम से मशहूर हो गया था वो याद है ना तो वो उसने एक्टिंग ऐसी की थी कि गब्बर के वो हम जब छोटे छोटे थे हमें तो नाम ही नहीं पता था अमजद खान गब्बर तो सो यू सी लाइक यू हैव टू हैव दैट कैरेक्टर एंड दैट विल बी रिमेंबर्ड मार्क कैरेक्टर और कोई इंडियन थोड़ा बहुत बोल दिया ठीक है ज़्यादा वो मत करो इंडियन में और यूक्रेनियन गर्ल थोड़ा टाइम पहचान तो सुंदर भी नहीं थी साली
ये तो सुंदर नहीं
तो इसके नखरे देखो इनके बहन के
ड्रेसिंग अच्छा था
ड्रेसिंग के अपनी गांड में दोगे यार ड्रेसिंग का क्या करोगे या फेस चढ़ा हुआ होता नहीं फिर भी वो नखरे देखो इनके वो तो यहाँ ऐसा है अमेरिका में। कौन सा? तो यहाँ लेग्स भी बोला था ना, लाइक आई कैन सी कम्प्लीटली बट आई कैन स्टिल इमेजिन यू हैव नाइस लेग्स। तो आप मतलब इसको थोड़ा सा यू जो स्पीक इन लाइक क्योंकि पूरी नहीं देख पा रहे ना, इतनी तो देखी थी। आई कैन नॉट सी देम कम्प्लीटली बट द लेग्स कम्प्लीमेंट थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए ना। दैट्स यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट इंटेंट, यू हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट अ बिट स्ट्रॉन्ग।
टेस्टोस्टेरोन पुश करवाने से वॉइस स्ट्रांग हो जाएगा।
टेस्ट वो स्टेरॉइड
नहीं, टेस्टोस्टेरोन
क्या पुश कराओगे?
हार्मोन है ना टेस्टोस्टेरोन।
हाँ तो स्टेरॉइड लोगे क्या?
नहीं,
इंजेक्शन लोगे? इंजेक्शन लो तो मिलेगा कहाँ से तुम इंजेक्शन?
डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा।
डॉक्टर दे देगा बहन या चूतिया।
मेरे को कि वॉइस
ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है यार, डॉक्टर दे देगा तुम्हें।
मैं बोलूंगा मेरे को चाहिए।
ऐसे कैसे हो जाएगा यार? ऐसे तो जर्मनी राइट है। अच्छा जर्मनी में हो भैया तुम?
अच्छा मैं रिसर्च कर लूँगा।
रिसर्च कर लोगे बट जर्मनी से नहीं मिलेगा। अगर वो करना मेरे से बात करो, मैं जहज वो हो जाए तो उससे तुम्हें साइड इफ़ेक्ट भी होंगे, पता है ना। हाँ नहीं, वो थोड़ी वीक लाइक इट वाज अ बिट लाइक यू नो she was starting to lead. And other thing is also when the girl is leading you, then you have to bring some flirtation so that even if she is leading you, you can still going on the flirtation direction and you can make something still happen. But if the girl is leading you and you're like falling like a beta, then it's going to be very tough to क्या हो गया? हाँ जोर से बोल रहा हूँ क्या?
नहीं वो
आवाज में जोश। So when she's leading you and you are also like you know being a soft kind of like you know चलो भाई, so then what will happen? Nothing is going on.
Okay.
She will be the male part in the relationship and then you are gone. So at least when the girl is leading you in this situation, you could have flirt with her. Oh, so what's going on? So at least, so you are, so like you know, are you adventurous? Oh, no, you're traveling a lot, so you are a very adventurous kind of person. Yeah. You see, this tonality. It's okay to a bit more like you know, dominant and it's not like a market dominant बनना हमने, but we have to speak these things so that it brings the more.
कोई बोल रहा है इंडियंस आर नाइस।
हाँ वो और सा नाइस में डाल रही थी। We can also, you can say like you know, we can also flirt very nicely.
Then you did blunder though if she said this that Indians are nice.
नहीं वो बोल रही थी, Indians are nice, oh, very nice, madam. So we also flirt very nicely, like you know, तो थोड़ा सा वो ब्रेक करना था वो, उसमें वो और पुट वो स्टीरियोटाइप में डाल रही है nice.
How did this even come up? That is she.
वो वहाँ गए थे ना, वो आते होंगे ना वो जो मैडम जो कर तो और वो देखती हो कि हिंदी तो नॉर्थ इंडियन थोड़े से वही भी थोड़े वैसे रहते हैं। नॉर्थ इंडियन वो जो साउथ वाले तो बिल्कुल एकदम डाउन होते हैं। तो है नहीं तमिल नहीं, फिर तुम तो नहीं हैदराबादी थोड़ा हाँ
Down है तो इधर।
नहीं नॉर्थ इंडियन भी आते हैं, आने को तो नॉर्थ इंडियन भी आते हैं। स्टैंड थिस या I mean it was good in the sense like you know it is quality of interaction is better.
Yes.
Is better compared to other interactions. This is what I will say like you know it was good interaction. जब मैं कहूँ ना उतना ही बोलो, ज़्यादा when I said in some situation where I said like you know like whatever I just say exactly the same, don't or extend it too long. I don't know कौन सी लाइन थी, फ्लर्ट की लाइन थी। When you talk too much then it is dilute the intensity with the same thing what he do, because you don't sustain the pressure and you just I just need to talk more. You know, you at the same time you have to be the heavyweight guy who can sustain the pressure. For example, I told you like you know like an engineer, you know I can you in a computer and then like you know because it is opportunistically flirt you can do. I can you in a computer and then I can I can find you attractive. And then she said something like, I will not crush you, but I will push some buttons.
Yes.
You didn't say buttons because you're feeling maybe a bit like,
Button. I just said
बोल दो.
touch you and things like that.
You but
Actually क्या था ना?
no, but the thing is,
लड़की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में थी ना, कान में भी मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड था, तो क्लियरली सुनाई नहीं दे रहा ना लड़की ना, अगर वो लड़की राइट हैंड साइड में थी
तो उसको चेंज कर लेते
हाँ मैं करने था लेकिन
या तुम उसके चेंज हो जाते.
हाँ मैं ये लग रहा था कि अगर मैं चेंज करूँगा ना तो कुछ ना कुछ उसके साथ हो जाएगा इसलिए.
तो तुम पोजीशन चेंज कर लेते. So push some buttons. So what, like the thing is like, we want to make it a bit more flirt. You see, like the flirt will make the things a bit more interesting.
Yes, now I got
You know?
the idea.
So otherwise boring जो है क्या venture. So like you both have a different kind of problems. I mean, the thing is, yeah, like you have different kind of problem. He has different kind of problems. So, yeah. So, I mean, like at least like whenever you say something, there is a more weightage in your voice. A bit like even your voice is like more heavy.
Yeah.
But he say with more conviction.
Okay.
More conviction is there in his. You have to build that conviction right now.
Okay.
That's like something we have to focus on. There is conviction part is a bit like so like more more
believe in your words.
yeah, like like yeah. So like pickup artist, so he just went further. I was saying what the fuck she's saying pickup artist, but whatever. So I have something like this also happened. I just came across really okay, fine, no problem with that. Fuck the girl also in the old days even. So and like with it is not really important for a hug thing. Hug is no, I'm telling you, like giving a hug or something. You like, for example, like if this is the distance, and then you you don't need to force. So give me a hug. So even if she flakes or something, she don't write you. It's not that important. Right now we are building that personality. More or less the flirtation, practicing on them, and then they will be like you're getting better and better. She don't write. It's okay. No problem.
One thing it happens to me when I
Like
start talking to a girl, I simply forget everything around. I don't see any single thing.
And one thing
Like,
also, like
multiple
with
things,
this number, you can say like you can say, don't worry, I'm not going to like write you 10,000 SMS. If you don't write me, I will go back to New York anyway. Like so it's not like I'm gonna like something. I'm taking your. We take number only if you want to meet me. If you don't, I don't even care about taking your number. So you say like if you want to meet me, it's okay. We can exchange numbers. If you don't want to meet me, then we don't even need to exchange numbers. It's all up to you.
Okay, I
You
can
decide.
use this,
And if she says like okay, I don't give me. Okay, bye. You don't want to meet. So question is, you want to meet me or not? If you don't want to meet me, okay, bye. Cut it off then. Cut off and move forward, because you learn to let it go also. So you learn to let go. You have to give that kind of vibe, like icy vibe. So you don't need to like you persist. But at one time when you're exchanging number, you are like you plan to meet and then let's exchange numbers. Something like that. So Telegram, if she's not having the name with Telegram, she's using Viber. Do you have a Viber installed?
Yes.
So you have a Viber or something, Belarusian Viber or something. So then take this thing and you say like getting the number is not not that complicated. It just you need to be a bit slightly convincing, persuasive, convincing. So it will not be a big deal actually. So I'm not really focused on like getting the number that we can work on, but the overall vibe of the interaction need to be like good for both of you, because the number and all is a small tricks you do, and then you always get the number. But if you know the trick of the number, but the vibe of interaction is shit, you will still not be getting like, you know, flake. Yeah, so I'm not focusing on number flake. The vibe of interaction need to get improved with the
With this interaction, the vibe was better than the other one.
yeah, because it's a flirting were there, like, you know. So tomorrow, for example, I'm expecting something like this from you also. And but for you to do, you have to have a more convincing power, more conviction. More conviction. You if you speak a
have the deep voice, but when I
yeah. When you come like a, you become Memana. मतलब you talk like a yeah like a क्या बोलते हैं क्या बोलूँ like
Like a biggie billy.
नहीं हाँ मतलब कि थोड़ी सी भीगी बिल्ली वाली आवाज़ बन जाती है.
Biggie billy is cat fight and cat.
लाइक हमारे साथ तुम लाइक आवाज़ टाइगर तो नहीं बोलूँगा, मतलब उससे थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग जानवर कौन सा होता है? लेपर्ड, चीता. चलो चीता मान लेते हैं. चीते जैसी आवाज़ है. शेर तो नहीं बोलूँगा अभी. हमारे साथ अभी चीते ऐसी आवाज़ है, पर वहाँ पे जब अप्रोच में उससे तुम्हारी वैसी आवाज़ हो जाती है बिल्कुल. तो आवाज़ को थोड़ी निकालो ना. डर किस चीज़ का है? Why you're afraid of?
वो एक बार बंदी ने यहाँ पे भी देखी इस पे.
देखी
होगा लेकिन फिर मैं इग्नोर करके आपको नहीं.
अरे बड़े आदमी हैं हम, नंबर को वो वहाँ हेड ऑफिस न्यूयॉर्क में करना पड़ता है, तभी एक्सचेंज ये वो तो ऑल द टाइम हमारे पास वो रहना पड़ता है. बट टीम का वो क्या हो रहा है, क्या प्रोग्रेस है, सब कुछ. सो आई एम वर्किंग, आई एम वर्किंग ऑल द टाइम. दैट्स आई हैव टू बी ऑल द टाइम ऑन दिस थिंग. I can go and date with you, but at the same time, like, you know, I do some progress work and then with the boss, and I have a free time. So, you know, I can work and flirt at the same time. It's a fucking cool job. The best job you can ever have in your life. You see? So, you know, you just, you know, improvise it and just speak. Nobody cares. You can convince them easily, man.
मतलब थोड़ा सा डालना था ना.
So सेक्सी लैग बोली थी ना, वो थोड़ा सा वो हो गई थी, वो
डाउन हो गई थी.
हाँ नहीं सेक्सी लैग बोला थोड़ा सा तो वो हो गई. हाँ अभी गिली हिसने लग गई थी ना, वो थी चीज. देखा लाइक वन थिंग आई नोटिस बिकॉज यू हैव
मेरा डायलॉग मतलब डिलीवरी सही था. ओके
मतलब ठीक थी. हाँ मतलब कि इट इज स्टिल, आई मीन यू कैन ऑलवेज इम्प्रूव, बट इट इज स्टिल ओके. आई मीन
अगर इफेक्ट आया तो ठीक.
अब अमरीश पुरी वाली बात क्या बोलते हैं, अमरीश पुरी आवाज़ तो मेरी भी नहीं है वेंचर. अमरीश पुरी वाली आवाज़
बंदेगा.
अमरीश पुरी आवाज़ तो मेरी भी नहीं. मेरी होती तो वेंचर सारी पूसियों को वाइब्रेट कर देता मैं यहाँ पे. क्यों? फिर तो गेम की भी जरूरत नहीं. फिर तो गेम की जरूरत होती भी नहीं इतनी. द गेम इसीलिए होता है कि you know you have. So yeah, but that's like, you know, so I mean it is okay, it is okay, but there's slightly more like, you know, you have a bit less fear, you have a bit more fear right now, though you are like bigger, and so you should be, I don't know what is the like it's the mindset problem. What's going on in your mind?
No, I'm thinking logical, I think.
Logically, what do you think? What? Tell me.
Thinking what you're saying, what I should say, and all this.
But now, like, you're remembering the patterns.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's not like I don't need to push everything you listen. Now, like for example, him, I'm focusing on the flirting part.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, you know, the like next level, next level. So for example, if he's gone past that level, the objection comes, then I focus on objection part. It's like you have a Porsche.
Yeah.
You run it on Delhi ki sadak, so I will run in Delhi ki sadak. If you run in the German Autobahn, then I will fucking go like 150, 160, 200. Or so it depends on, like, you know, like where situation you are. The game I will spit the game according to that. Okay. So right now I cannot, I mean, what objection I will give you, because when we are struggling on the first part, so we have to improve the first part. Okay. So he's getting a bit slightly, so like maybe tomorrow when we do, let's see how it goes. So what I'm at least you speak in a convincing way.
Okay.
No fear. So we start first with him, because we have to bring more. He has to have fresh energy after exercise. To focus on him, and then like so that you will more energized, put power, energy, and then like
Okay.
so that's like we focus. So it is important that you, because there is nothing wrong actually. I mean, in you, there is nothing wrong in you. You're not physically disabled or anything problem and all this stuff. Everything is fine. So
I hope so, yeah.
yeah, I don't think so. You, I mean,
Women toy is not working.
huh?
Women toy is not working.
Woman toy.
Women to
Women toy.
अबे लोड़ा बोल दो यार बहन चंगे ऐसे बड़ बोल के मैंने समझ में आता है वुमेन
इसीलिए
टॉय
बोला वैसे ही। इसीलिए तो वैसे ही बोला मैं।
क्या?
जानबूझ के women toy बोला।
लावड़ा बोलते हो, अच्छा समझ आता है।
लॉर्ड लंड खड़ा होता है कि नहीं हम भी बहन चो अंग्रेज बन गए जर्मनी में आके
मैं अंग्रेज पहले ही करता
हाँ
इंडिया में ही अंग्रेज था।
So, लौड़ा तो खड़ा होता होगा क्यों सो द थिंग इज है अभी हमें देख के थोड़ा खड़ा होगा यार फिर तो बहन से दूर रहूँ मैं because with conviction you become the dominance, and with the dominance the flirt are much. I mean, you can say you have, like, imagine, like, you have sexy legs. It looks like it's anti-seduction. It's anti-seduction. It's like we want to be like,
मैंने सही किया ना वो touched her hands and shoulder and all like that.
नहीं हाँ वो सही था
सही था।
और लाइक हर बार बदली मतलब कि हाँ योगा सिखा दूंगा वो कर दूंगा ये कर दूंगा इधर हो जा तो योगा सिखा दूंगा वो कर दूंगा वो मतलब कि I can teach you yoga and lot of stuff only if you're nice to me. Condition रखो. I can take you to New York only if you're nice to me. I can do this thing only if you're nice to me. Put a condition. It is important. Only if you're nice to me. I can teach you yoga and lot of other things.
If you're nice to me.
Only if you're nice to me.
Only if you're nice to me.
So
Only if you're nice to me.
better be a good girl.
Yes.
I am nice to you. I am nice to you. So this kind of because you cannot give. I didn't find. नहीं वो सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है वो बहन चो तुमने ज़्यादा ही वो हो गए.
वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा
I didn't find. That's why I didn't marry. I didn't have kids. ना वो हिसाब से
और ज़्यादा थोड़ा over the way.
ठीक है ना जैसे हम बोलता कि अरे और बोल दो और बोल दो.
उस पे भी वो थोड़ा हंसी थी थोड़ा नहीं काफ़ी हंसी.
नहीं है बोल दो मतलब कि then you can reverse in the sense like I'm just joking. We don't know each other.
हाँ मैंने ये use किया.
हाँ तो ना मतलब ध्यान से like you have to be very careful with these things, like don't go over because like I mean the game is about like calibration, so I'm giving it in a calibrated way.
Yes.
Not giving too much because I know what works and what brings the pussy at the end, so it's not going too far, it's not going too much, so like making it a bit like in a calibrated way. Even if you're learning right now, so you're learning a bit calibrated kind of game. Okay, this much I can go, this much I can go, because we want to give only if you're nice to me. This is this, because we cannot give complete validation. Condition, there always should be a condition behind. So when we do the exercise tomorrow, you have to bring the energy out. No, bring this out.
Okay. Yeah.
बोलो मेरी तरह बोलो ना. Take it out.
Take it out.
Yes.
Yes.
निकालो थोड़ी जोर से जवान निकालो ना.
खुद देंगे खड्डा.
डरने क्या जो. So like bring that energy because when you do over exaggerate, it will be less.
Okay.
You understand? So you over exaggerate and then it will be a bit slightly
less.
more like it will be but less will be more than your normal.
Okay.
What you have.
Okay.
न्यूयॉर्क में मैंने कहा पावर पट पैस करने लगा वहाँ पे वो सारे this nigga is crazy, he's making noise, man, what the fuck. so, like, because they get aggressive, man. So ऐसे मैंने यहाँ से तैयार न करो भाई मैंने पिटाई ना हो जाए साली. नहीं सही में मैंने वो उनका कोई भरोसा नहीं है साला. वो अब वहाँ पे मैकडोनल्ड बैठे हुए थे, कुछ बच्चे थे शोर मचा रहे थे, वो थोड़े खड़े हुए पहन के लोड़ो शोर मचा रहे हो मादर चौदो ये वो, तो बच्चों को डरा दिया उसने, तो बच्चे घबरा गए। तो उतनी देर में वो आ गई, जो सिक्योरिटी आ गई, कहते बच्चों क्यों कर रहा है ये वो है बहनचोद, ये बच्चों करो मचाओ शोर बहनचोद। बहनचोद ये सही मैंने कहा बहनचोद से बड़ा एग्रेसिव एनवायरनमेंट है वहाँ बहनचोद। तो आई मीन एंडिंग थोड़ी सी एंडिंग चलो ठीक हुई है, बट नहीं एंडिंग आई मीन डोंट फोर्स इट टू एनीथिंग, बिकॉज क्या होता है अगर गिव मी अ हग एंड द लास्ट रिएक्शन इज बैड रिएक्शन, शी विल रिमेंबर द लास्ट रिएक्शन एंड दैट इज नॉट गुड, सो यू डोंट इवन नीड टू वॉक, सो लाइक यू नो स्टे यंग, स्टे ब्यूटीफुल, स्टे हैप्पी एंड ऑलवेज स्माइल, यू नो हाथ पकड़ा ऐसे ही थोड़ा डोमिनेंस ना, और फिर
आज वीडियो देखे थे ना उसमें
देखा था ना, हाथ पकड़ा था ना, स्टे यंग, स्टे ब्यूटीफुल, स्टे हैप्पी एंड ऑलवेज स्माइल। So this is much stronger than hug. This is much stronger than hug. 10 times more stronger than hug. हग को अपनी गांड में डालोगे, हग छोड़ो, हग तो मैं करता ही नहीं।
हग तो हर दिन करते हैं।
हग तो किससे? ओके जो थी वो, और जो मेरी वाली बंद जो थी, जो उसका तो हग वक्त कोई नहीं करा, हग वक्त।
Here I'm doing this debriefing with them after the interactions. So yeah guys, so I hope you are enjoying the development process of my students, my 2 students from India, improving their dating life, and I'm helping them. And if you are enjoying this content, then like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button, because your love and support is very, very important for me. And if you want to learn from me one-on-one, then you can apply to the link in the description below, and then I will have a short call with you. I will listen to the problem what you're facing in your dating life, and according to your goal, I will give you the right solution that will help you in reaching your goals in your dating life in the shortest amount of time possible, and bring smile on your face. And I will see you in the next video of this series. Take care. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a lot of value out of it. By the way guys, if you are still suffering in your dating life, not able to find any solution for the problems you are facing in your dating life, now it's time to change it forever. And if you really want to get guided by me personally in my mentorship program or in my one-on-one bootcamp program, then apply to the link in the description below. The link is deepakdating.info/mentorship. But keep in mind, my mentorship program or my one-on-one bootcamp program are in very high in demand with a very limited availability. They are also costly, so only if you are fully motivated, committed and prepared emotionally and mentally, want to get guided by me personally, only then apply to the mentorship or my bootcamp program. If right now the cost is the issue, or you are not able to do my mentorship program or my bootcamp program due to any personal reason, and still want to change your dating life, then I suggest you to join Dating Infields Domination. The link is also in the description below. The first link, it's only $1, completely risk-free. You can cancel it anytime you want to. There you will see pure uncut infield interaction of me as well as my students, getting laid, getting girlfriends, listen word by word, line by line, infield interactions in this program, Dating Infields Domination, and learn top-level seduction skills which no other dating coach in this world can able to teach you. I challenge it. So what you will see in Dating Infields Domination in the infields, that is something you will be personally learning from me in my mentorship program or my one-on-one bootcamp program in future if you plan to join it. So apply to the link in the description below for a 30-minute free call, deepakdating.info/mentorship. If you really want to get mentored by me personally and change your dating life or other alternative, join Dating Infields Domination. The link is also in the description below. If you are not really sure right now for mentorship program or my one-on-one bootcamp program. Also guys, don't forget to watch the playlist Rock Solid Infield on this channel,
where I'm doing live flirt, picking up girls in front of camera, showing top level pickup and attraction skills. Also, don't forget to watch student transformation and testimonials, where I'm teaching my students, showing full documentaries, student success and their testimonials also.